Why do we polish floors? To improve the image of the building. To protect the floor. To make the floor easier to maintain. Evans Van Adyn have a wide range of products for all types of floor and traffic conditions. The operative must always read, understand and adhere to the safety information on the product label before using chemicals. Safety wear is very important. Evans Van Adyn would always recommend sensible footwear when applying floor polish. Always sweep the floor to remove dust and debris. It is important that the floor is clean, dry and neutral. There are various methods of applying polish, either with a Kentucky mop or flat mop in conjunction with a bucket and bringer or tray. It is becoming increasingly popular to simply pour a thin straight line of polish directly onto the floor, especially for small areas or if a clean bucket is not available. Always use a clean mop or applicator for polishing floors. It is advisable to dampen new fibres with water to cut down the amount of small pieces of cotton being deposited onto the floor. Ensure the polish is completely dry before applying the next coat. Allow a minimum of 30 minutes between coats. An alternative method is to pour polish directly onto the mop. Start at the furthest point from the entrance and work your way back to the door. Apply the first coat thinly and evenly in a west to east direction over the total area of the floor. Leave to dry for 30 minutes. Apply a second coat thinly and evenly at a right angle to the first coat and leave a 15 cm gap from the edge of the skirting board on this and any subsequent coats. This will avoid any unnecessary buildup of polish. Allow the floor to dry thoroughly. The floor may require more than the normal 2 coats of polish depending on age, desired level of protection, porosity of the floor and the system being worked. If the floor is extremely old and porous, has a poor history of accepting a polish, or even to maximise the performance of the polish, we would recommend first applying a coat of Evans Sealant B, which is basically an undercoat, to seal the pores of the old floor in order to lay a good base for the polish. When finished, wash and clean all equipment. Rinse out the mop or applicator in clean warm water and leave to air dry. Always apply polish or primer with a new, clean or specially designated mop or applicator. Do not use a mop which has been used for other purposes such as polish stripping. Any polish left in a bucket, bag or tray should be discarded and not returned to the container, as this will contaminate the remaining polish. If a floor seal has been applied to a wood or concrete floor, allow 7 days for it to cure before applying floor polish. The Evans Van Adyn range of polishes consistently provides optimum results for great looking floors. Training support literature is available free of charge upon request. For more information on the full range of Evans Van Adyn products, please call or visit our website.